Making easy but delicious Crockpot mac and cheese. The secret is adding 1 can of cream of cheddar. I added 4 cups of milk here, but full disclosure, I ended up adding 2 more by the end. Mix this together really well. Grab a whisk and have a little patience. Next, add your favorite noodles. I love using these. Sometimes I also use shells. Obviously, you could do elbows. And I've tried to get it all in there, but I need more milk to cover it. So next, add your seasoning blend. This is smoked paprika, garlic, Italian seasoning, salt. So add all that and then mix it in really well. And then you're going to add your cheese. You can do whatever blend you want. Get a Tex-Mex, get smoked cheddar, use marble. Obviously I had white. Now save a little bit for later. Mix it all together again. And here I add that 1 last cup, so totaling 6 cups. Next I'm going to add a few tablespoons of cut butter, just kind of on the top. And I'm going to add my reserved cheese from before. Cover and cook on high for 2 hours. So this is what it looks like before. And here we are checking in. Look at how yummy this is. Look at how creamy. Subscribe for more recipes.